What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Blackrock Silver. Now, Blackrock Silver used to be called Blackrock Gold, and we have done a few videos on the company before, but in this video, we're giving you guys a full update, introduction for anyone who hasn't heard about the company before. So we're simply going to be taking a look at their stock chart, their recent corporate presentation, and some new news. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, always remember that this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Blackrock Silver. I hope you enjoy it. Of course, don't forget to hit that like button if you support me in the channel and all the videos that I put out, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos and new and exciting companies, along with dropping me a comment down below and letting me know what you think about the company. So the first thing I want to take a look at is in fact the stock chart. So Blackrock Silver is traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol BRC. It's got a 52-week high of $1.61 per share and a 52-week low of 10.5 cents. Market cap of just over $90 million. Now, when it comes to the stock chart, we can see here that it has, over the past couple months, found some support in and around the 60-cent range. We're currently trading for 74 cents, and it's ran a couple times to 90 cents, and we're right in the middle of that range that we've traded at for quite some time. So we'll see what happens, guys. Might be an interesting time to take a look at the stock. But let's quickly jump to some news from Junior Mining Network, and this news actually just came out today. So Blackrock Silver reports drill results from its Silver Cloud project in northern Nevada. The company announces gold and silver drill intercepts from its 2020 winter drill program on its 100% controlled Silver Cloud project located along the northern Nevada Rift in north central Nevada. So let's take a look at some of the highlights. At the Northwest Canyon target drill hole, SBR 20007 intersected a significant amount of gold mineralization, suggesting the east-west zone continues, but the high-grade portion may be offset along the NNW to NS faults. Significant gold mineralization was encountered in the Quiver target, which requires and warrants additional follow-up drilling. 12 reverse circulation drill holes were completed in Blackrock Silver's Silver Cloud project between November 10th and December 19th, 2020. A total of 3,774 meters was drilled within 3 main targets on the company's claim block in the historical Silver Cloud Mercury District. So for more information, take a look at the press release. You can find it right there on juniorminingnetwork.com, and we can see the grading right there, the gold grading, the silver grading. And now let's jump to their website. So blackrocksilver.com is their website. So welcome to the Silver State, high-grade silver and gold in Nevada. So let's take a look at, their brief overviews. Awakening the Queen of the Silver Camps. Blackrock's flagship Tonopah West project consolidates the western half of the famed Tonopah Silver District within the Walker Lane Trend of Nevada. Known as the Queen of the Silver Camps, the Tonopah Silver District produced over 174 million ounces of silver and 1.8 million ounces of gold from approximately 7.5 million tons of high-grade silver gold, making it one of the most significant silver gold districts in North America. With 30,000 meters of exploration drilling completed in 2020 and a 40,000 meter core drilling program underway, Blackrock aims to deliver a maiden resource estimate by the end of 2021 as the first group to target the historic workings on the property since production shut down nearly 100 years ago. So let's take a look at the area. So historic production in the Tonopah Silver District averaged at 1,384 grams per ton silver and 16 grams per ton gold, establishing it as one of the highest grade silver districts in the world. In early drilling, encountered 1.5 meters grading 2,029 grams per ton silver and 26 grams per ton gold, highlighting the bonanza potential that remains. So you can see a little map there. Now we're going to dive into the investor presentation that can be found on their website under the corporate tab presentation. You can also find information about the company in the investors section, more specific to the share structure, their recent gold, their recent press releases, and all of their financials. But let's dive into the corporate presentation now. So let's take a look at who actually owns the stock. So retail owns 38%, institutional owns 43%, management owns 9%, H&W friends and family own 10%. Also, as part of your own research and due diligence, you should always take a look at the leadership or management team. Blackrock seems to have a highly experienced management team, but make sure to take a look at the profiles of everyone in charge. Two things I wanted to point out: Tonopah West, 100% controlled district, leading package, and Silver Cloud is also 100% controlled. It's a large land package consisting of 572 mining claims covering 45 square kilometers. That's over 12,000 hectares. So let's talk a little bit more about the Tonopah Silver District, the queen of the silver camps. So newly consolidated land package consists of 97 patented and 17 unpatented mining claims covering 4.5 square kilometers. Largest claim package in Tonopah Silver District, one of the largest historic silver districts in North America, producing 174 million ounces of silver and 1.8 million ounces of gold, mined from underground from 1900 to 1950, with peak years producing up to 14 million ounces per year. Victor vein was 24 meters thick, where production ceased. First group to conduct exploration targeting historic workings, multiple historic mines on property, multiple brownfield targets with significant exploration potential. So Nevada, the silver state. Tonopah, one of the largest silver districts in North America and second largest in Nevada. It's said the Comstock put Nevada on the map and Tonopah kept it there. So let's take a look at silver when it comes to countries. So as we know, any silver bull or silver investor probably knows that Mexico is the #1 area in the world for silver, followed by Peru, China, Russia, and Poland. Now, top silver jurisdictions by investment attractiveness: Nevada is #1, Australia is #4, and Chile is #30. China, Russia, Argentina, and Poland are not listed. So now let's talk a little bit about their Tonopah West projects. Ranch hand and part-time prospector Jim Butler and his trusty mule stumble on silver-rich veins near Tonopah Springs in the summer of 1900. So Tonopah, a high-grade, low-sulfidation epithermal district, production 1.86 million ounces, 174 million ounces of silver from 7.45 million tons. Silver primary district, 100-to-1 silver to gold ratio. Tonopah West, first ever consolidated ownership. High grade, 50 years of historic production, averaged 1,384 grams per ton silver and 16 grams per ton gold. Tailings, Tonopah Extension Mill tailings and mine dumps. And there we can see on their investor presentation, they do have historical production. So Tonopah District gold and silver production, 1900 to 1950, and the average grading, so a high grade area. So they also have, geology maps. You can take a look at that. Infrastructure, electricity, and casinos. It is in Nevada. So lots of technicals for anyone who is savvy when it comes to the technical or geological surveys. And now let's quickly talk about their drill program. So drill program underway. A 3,500 meter 14 RC drill hole exploration program commenced at the start of November. 4 distinct target areas, newly delineated and yet untested northeast veins target directly adjacent to Hecla's Hollister mine to receive the bulk of drilling. So there we have Blackrock Silver Cloud, east-west veins, productive zone between 4,200 and 5,100 feet RL, volcanic hosted. So why Blackrock Silver? Exploring Silver Cloud and Tonopah West. Low sulfidation epithermal high-grade gold and silver in the heart of Nevada. Proposed spinout: Blackrock shareholders stand to own proportional positions in 2 public companies with 2 clear visions. Tonopah, district leading land package with 97 patented and 17 unpatented claims in one of the largest known high-grade silver districts in North America. So we know all about that. We have talked about that, along with their 30,000 meter core and RC 2020 drill program, which has been completed. Then we've got Silver Cloud, compelling grassroots exploration opportunity with a large land package of over 45 square kilometers within the richest gold mining area in North America, where 2 prolific gold belts meet. Target rich, 4 key areas identified. Limited historical drilling encountered gold in 3 areas, in addition to another area found to have 8 veins outcropping at surface. BRC, first group to get to follow up on these since 2005. 3,500 meter 14 RC drill hole program completed in December. Assays pending. And of course, if you are looking for more information, check out blackrocksilver.com. It is traded on the TSX Venture, once again under ticker symbol BRC, on the OTC markets under ticker symbol BKRRF, and on the FSE under ticker symbol AHZ. So that's it for the update, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you know, I am looking for gold and silver to hopefully come back starting now or later on this year. I do remain a gold and silver bull, but of course, it has had a pullback, so we'll see what happens. But with that being said, that's the end of the video. Once again, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with always remembering to thoroughly read our disclaimer. And the fact that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching. Drop me some comments down below, and always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.